Yeah, this place is really awesome. It just rains, so you do want to stay away from waterfalls and settled water, things that just been sitting. You know, there's a lot of dangers such as rat lung disease, which there's actual herb that can cure that. But it makes you drop weight so fast, like you're literally about to die. Check out some documentaries online. They got them with the herbal healing agent that they found. You know, but these trees right here are awesome. There's a nice little Tatamono tree over here too. Way over here, up in the cut. You can see in the back, right there. Huge. See the collection of the roots right there? And there goes a face too. Screenshot that, baby. Yeah, coming out here always reminds me of being with my grandma and grandpa. You know what I mean? Mother's Day's coming up. Much love to all the mothers out there, putting the world together, bringing life. And to the mothers in our family and our loved ones and all our extended family and their loved ones. And my mother, Ray Rico, Ray Elizabeth Rico, Blackfeet Indian. We switch tribes though every 2 years and get part of everybody's tribe. You know what I mean? You know, it's not selling out. It's basically like indulging into their deepness of their natural American tradition of natives of the so-called land of America. You know? Yeah, this is nice. And then we got our nice little beautiful tree right here. This is gonna turn into a gang of paintings already, I already know it. Show you secrets of the game. I really got time to be sitting there on a month working on a canvas painting when I could drop all these paintings as all these philosophies stream through me. And I just keep dropping them. Kind of like what a lot of the artists would do. Or make a structure of the painting, a foundation, to have the other artists do it. Andy Warhol used to do that. You know, he was really good at that. Start the painting and then let his other artists finish it. You know what I'm saying? But much love and aloha. This is actually like a bike trail too. You could cruise down this. You know, it has a big old sign, yield to bikes. I'm not gonna cruise all the way up, you know, because it's gonna be the same throughout. But aloha. Wait.